Today I am reviewing the Beats Studio Pro Premium Wireless over-ear headphones. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to the world of personal audio, very few brands carry the cultural weight and instantly recognizable design language of Beats by Dre. For over a decade, their studio lineup has been a staple sight on airplanes, in professional gym setups, and draped around the necks of top athletes and musicians worldwide. With their latest flagship release, the Beats Studio Pro Premium Wireless over-ear headphones, the brand has completely re-engineered their signature sound from the ground up. Today, we are taking a deep, comprehensive look at the classic matte black edition to see how it performs in real-world environments. Beats has traditionally been famous for its head-rattling bass, but the Studio Pro shifts the focus toward a sophisticated, custom acoustic platform that delivers balanced, high-fidelity audio alongside industry-leading smart features. Let's dive straight into the technology, the performance, and the massive upgrades that make these headphones a top-tier contender for your daily carry. First, let's talk about the absolute foundation of any premium headset, and that is the sound quality. The Beats Studio Pro features a completely custom 40mm driver architecture that is engineered for absolute sonic precision. Beats has integrated a dual-layer diaphragm with refined microventing to optimize airflow, which drastically reduces harmonic distortion to near zero, even when you crank the volume up to maximum. The result is a rich, beautifully balanced audio profile, where the low frequencies remain deep and punchy, without ever bleeding into or muddying up the crisp mid-range vocals or the sparkling high frequencies. But where the sound game completely changes is with the inclusion of hardware-level USB-C lossless audio support. By plugging the headphones directly into your laptop, iPad, or smartphone using the universal USB-C cable, you bypass the compression inherent to wireless streaming. This unlocks pure, uncompressed, studio-grade digital audio. When listening via USB-C, you can even cycle through 3 distinct, built-in sound profiles. A balance profile for standard music tuning, an entertainment profile optimized for movies and gaming, and a voice profile designed specifically for crystal-clear podcasts, audiobooks, and phone calls. For those who still value traditional connectivity, Beats also includes a standard 3.5mm analog audio cable right in the box, giving you total flexibility. To make your listening experience even more cinematic, the Studio Pro features fully personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. Using advanced internal gyroscopes and accelerometers, the headphones map the soundscape in a 360-degree circle around your head. When you watch a high-production movie or listen to spatial audio-mastered music tracks, the audio stays anchored to the orientation of your device, making it feel like you are sitting in the center of a high-end commercial movie theater or a live concert venue. Of course, keeping you completely immersed in that sound requires serious isolation, and the fully adaptive active noise canceling on this unit delivers brilliantly. The onboard computer system continuously samples external environment decibels thousands of times per second, dynamically adjusting the anti-noise filters to instantly erase the low-frequency drone of jet engines, city traffic, or distracting office chatter. If you need to quickly check back in with reality, a simple double tap of the integrated button instantly switches the headset into transparency mode. This mode uses the high-fidelity microphone array to naturally blend external environmental sounds with your music, allowing you to comfortably order a coffee, hear an airport gate announcement, or navigate busy city crosswalks with absolute situational awareness. When it comes to voice communication, clarity is paramount, and Beats has executed this beautifully. The Studio Pro is equipped with advanced voice targeting microphones that are engineered to actively filter out background noise while isolating the specific frequency of your voice. Whether you are taking an urgent business call on a windy city street or dialing into a lengthy virtual video conference from home, your voice comes through with crystal clear, broadcast quality definition. Furthermore, user convenience is fully cross-platform. Unlike many premium options that favor one operating system over another, Beats offers deep native compatibility with both Apple and Android ecosystems. With one-touch pairing, you can instantly link the headphones to your account, enabling seamless automatic switching between devices, native Find My Device tracking, and full over-the-air firmware updates regardless of what brand of smartphone is in your pocket. Let's talk about physical endurance and battery longevity, which is a massive selling point for frequent travelers and commuters. The Beats Studio Pro delivers an astonishing 40 hours of continuous battery life on a single charge with the noise cancellation turned off. If you prefer to keep the active noise canceling or transparency mode running continuously, the battery life still holds strong at a highly impressive 24 hours of playback. For those moments when you realize you are completely out of power right before running out the door, the integrated fast fuel technology has you covered. By plugging the headphones into a charger for a mere 10 minutes, you unlock up to 4 full hours of high-performance playback. Ergonomically, the physical footprint has been upgraded with premium UltraPlush over-ear cushions. The seamless engineered leather padding gently molds around your ears to create a tight acoustic seal without putting painful pressure on your jaw or temples. The headband slider is completely stepless and reinforced with durable metal rails, allowing you to find the absolute perfect ergonomic fit for long-haul travel or an entire day at your desk. When it is time to pack up, the headphones fold down beautifully at the hinges and slide into a durable, woven, travel-ready carrying case that protects your investment inside a backpack or luggage. To wrap it all up, the Beats Studio Pro is an absolute triumph of modern personal audio engineering. By masterfully pairing an upgraded, low-distortion acoustic platform with advanced USB-C lossless audio capabilities, fully personalized spatial tracking, and seamless dual ecosystem compatibility, Beats has created a product that leaves absolutely no room for compromise. It gives you long-lasting battery life, incredible wear comfort, and pristine environmental isolation in a sleek, iconic matte black aesthetic. Whether you are a dedicated audiophile looking for lossless digital depth, a remote professional demanding call clarity, or a frequent flyer seeking peace and quiet, these headphones are a spectacular choice that will confidently elevate your audio world for years to come.